Caron Compactor Company celebrated its 50th year service in the solid waste industry in 2019. The Caron family has built complete compactors with soil and landfill wheels since 1962 and 1965, respectively, with their company at the time known as Pactor Corporation. When Caron Compactor Company was formed in 1969, initial development was soil wheels for the Caterpillar 825B and 835. Caterpillar started in the soil compactor business in 1965, developing the 815, 825B, and 835. Caron worked with CAT and their dealer organization to develop a market for their compactors on water retention projects, built primarily by the Corps of Engineers and U.S. Bureau of Reclamation. In 1969 and 1970, the 816 and 826B landfill versions of these soil compactors were introduced. The first complete landfill wheels built by Caron were soon to follow, and in 1978 the first bolt-on wheel for the 826C was introduced, making wheel changeouts simpler. During this time, Caron also produced both tamping and landfill equipment packages for John Deere. It's important to note that the 826B had the final drive hub welded within the wheels, and both the 825B and 826B required disassembly and reassembly of the final drives to change a complete wheel. Many of the original 826Bs with CAT chopper wheels for landfill compaction were converted to the 825B for soil compaction by Caron Compactor. Caron equipped some of the first 826Cs with complete wheels delivered to the western states, and grew rapidly to become a major player with our unique weld-on teeth, capable of replacement as a result of our tip welded to a separate base design. This design became an overwhelming success and eventually captured 2/3 of the 826 wheel market. Caron, recognizing the need for a design that would allow the ease of replacement of the wear cap, developed the pin-on tooth in 1983. Since that time, Caron has researched and developed many changes to their teeth, including design and size configurations due to the advent of the larger and higher horsepower machines. Over the years, Caron has produced thousands of complete wheels for the 826 compactor market, including the original 826B, and continuing with the C, G, G2, H, and now the K series. Caron also maintains a weld-on version and a one-piece design, largely for the aftermarket, on used machines with wheel exchange. Various wheel tooth patterns have been built over the years with spacing, tip height, and geometric size modifications, allowing Caron to make wheel products specific for a particular machine and site, providing options that most competitors do not provide. Caron maintains a variety of new, rebuilt, and reconditioned wheels, primarily with the pin-on design. In addition, Caron has also developed machine guarding to prevent damage through the intrusion of foreign materials, debris, wire, and tape to the vulnerable axles and wheel seals. In 2015, Caterpillar introduced its 826K compactor. Caron's standard wheels for this model have a 5-row, 8 per row, or 9 per row pattern that are available in many sizes. Teeth height varies from 7 to 8 inches and include wheel patterns that are made site-specific. Many units have been equipped with our Super Mega and new double crown teeth for high abrasive conditions. These high wear capability teeth are used without cleaner bars. However, Caron builds wheels with our Duramega teeth, which are designed narrower to work specifically with the Caterpillar striker bar with cleaner finger option. Caron Compactor's primary design advantage is utilizing two types of teeth, a traction tooth and a contour tooth, for better demolition capability and to improve stability. The pin-on design allows in-field replacement, not found with other competitors. In the case of the pin-on, a base is welded to the drum surface, allowing for repeat changes of the replaceable cap through retention pins and retainers, along with the capability of the cap to be much harder than conventional one-piece weld-on cleats. In 2006, we introduced a mortise and tendon lock with a small stainless steel weld, which ensures the base can be used for a second set of wear caps. A puller package was developed to safely remove the cap from the base if necessary. All Caron wheels include our extreme surface hard facing, which includes hard facing on both the horizontal and vertical outer drum edges for extended life. Inner drum extensions with wear bars adaptable to the cat axle guard group, and wear bars on the inside cone of the wheel are standard. Caron's extremely successful 8.5-inch double crown tooth for the 836H and 836K led to the introduction of Caron's 8-inch double crown tooth for the 826K in 2019. This new design incorporates our new shed edge technology, which aids in the ability of the wheels to run clean in more cohesive materials. It also has a double crown top surface to enhance demolition capabilities. This design stands a full 1 inch taller than OEM cleats. Caron's extremely effective seal protection group for the 836K is also available for the 826K. The SPG along with the staff ring or center hinge protection ring, and the optional wire safeguard group in both an intermittent and continual pattern will reduce or eliminate wire and debris wraps on the axles. The SPG package is designed to help prevent wire and debris from entering the wheel inner drum, saving downtime and expensive repairs. Any wire, tape, or debris that could ultimately accumulate to the outer diameter of the stationary plate must serpentine its way between the rotating cylindrical drum extension, the stationary plate, and then manipulate the quarter between the offset inner ring guard welded to the stationary plate. These options are not available or included on OEM machines from the factory. Caron Compactor semi-U and double semi-U blades provide significant advantages over OEM straight blades. The DSU blade was designed with a patented center splitter, which forces the refuge to each side of the blade from the center. Caron then designed a flat section directly in front of each compactor wheel to cover the minimum width of the wheel. This enables the blade to spread trash evenly under the wheel itself to enhance a uniform coverage and reduce the amount of loose material causing wear and possible damage to the center section of the machine. The outside sections are angled to add to the capacity of the entire blade and reduce the amount of trash left in a windrow to the outside of the blade and to again force the material within the flat area to be distributed under the wheels. Both the SU and DSU incorporate outside wings to reduce the windrow left by a standard straight blade. All Caron Trashblades are fabricated using heavier material on the moldboard and structure. The moldboard is made from A572 material, which is far more wear resistant than OEM blades. Reinforced plates and gussets are added in the bolsters or C-sections of the blades, including the addition of bottom wear plates not found on OEM blades. This additional structural material in our semi-U and double semi-U blades result in a 9 and 14% greater weight than cat blades, respectively. Caron also offers a center push plate on both the 826K and 836K. This plate, besides giving the machine the capability of pushing stuck vehicles and other equipment, forms a protective plate when attachments, such as a tarpomatic, are used. Ask to have us send you a comparison of Caron wheels to OEM, which includes greater number of tooth penetrations in the trash per day per wheel versus competitive product. The height and pattern of the teeth on Caron wheels results in greater demolition and compaction of material, which achieves higher density. Test with customers over a lengthy period of time, 5 to 6 years on each machine. Show Caron wheels increased density up to 15% or more. Caron Compactor, conserving airspace and increasing customer revenue for over 50 years. Contact us to learn more about which Caron products are best suited for your operation. Caron, chosen best by those who know.